BBQ.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of BBQ, Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, and welcome back. I am doing 2 videos today, so if you watched last week's, you'll know what is cooking in here right now. But I'm going to do something else today. I'm going to make a little bit of an appetizer. I'm going to take these little bitty cheddar smoked sausages. We're going to cut them up in little pieces. We're going to wrap them in bacon, put a little cheese on the top, and then we're going to smoke them for a little while. Actually, I'm going to do the cheese after it's been smoked for a little while, but that's not the point. Anyway, let's get started on making this delicious dish. Alright, here we go. Check these out. Look at those bad boys. Oh man, look at that. Look at that juice. Okay, we're gonna pull them out. Woo, it's hot. Uh-oh. Alright, so I don't know if I have enough cheese for all this. I cut up a bunch of cheese, but I'm gonna put basically a little block of cheese on every top of every one of these, and then we're gonna put it back in and let it melt down. Hopefully this works. Alright, got the cheese on there. Look at this, I got 2 pieces left. How perfect was that? Actually, it would have been more perfect if I would have done exactly. But anyway, I got the cheese on there. Now we're going to take it, we're going to put it back in and let the cheese melt. Oh no. Some of those won't stay on very well. Oh no. Come back. Alright, look at that, cheese is melted, it's all nice and melty. Woo, probably too melty. That's okay though, that's okay. Alright, we're going to take a little bit of this Country Bob Sweet Honey, got a little squirter here, and we're just going to squirt it on there. Oh, there we go. All right. Put it back on just for a couple more minutes, just enough to get that sauce all nice and glazed on there. A couple more minutes. All right, let's check these suckers out. Woo, look at that. Oh man, do those not look good or what? All right, let's pull them off here. Let's take them in here, get a picture, and we'll try these suckers out. All right. All right, I'm gonna try one. Check this out. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try one. They're a little warm yet. Oh. Oh man. Oh God, that's good. That was real good. All right, you guys gotta try these out. But that's it for me. I'm done. I'm out. I still got the rest of this ribs to do, but that's another video. Check that video out. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me, BBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling on TikTok, BBQ 2020 on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications, like, share, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of BBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.